Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to everybody for rocking with me and pulling up on the channel. Appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all smash the thumbs up like button ASAP to let YouTube know that y'all appreciate this information. So first off, y'all already know y'all have to come join. You don't have to, but if you like, these free 99 alerts that I'm calling, if you like to join a community that's positive and working together to all help each other, then come tap in on Facebook. Private stock market game. Remember, this is an exclusive group. I don't just let everybody in here. This is exclusive. So tap in if you're a positive member, if you support what I'm doing, if you want to be a part of that. Also follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco as well. We're almost at that 7,000 follower mark. So help me get to that point. Share this channel, share my social medias with your friends, put them on game, let them know what's up, man. Help them out. They will come back later on in about 3 to 6 months, and thank you for sharing my channel with them. So right now, things are looking just how we expect it to. I'm even becoming more and more excited as we move on, and people become more panicky, more scared about what's going on. Because why? When the market is fearful, that's when it's time for us to be greedy. And when the market is greedy, that is the time where you should be fearful. Now really, because I believe in sheep for the long term, I'm really not fearful at all with this project. So especially when other people are fearful, shout out to y'all reaching out to the channel. I will hit y'all up as soon as this video is over with. So when I see other people being fearful like that, all I know is that's a good sign. Why? Because we get to buy at a discount. Look at all the people that bought up here. Now they're held underwater all the way to this point. Why? Because they were, when everybody was excited, when the market was being greedy, that's when they decided to be greedy as well and buy up on the top instead of taking time to educate themselves, learn how to buy the dip, learn how to identify the dip, learn how to take advantage of the dip, and reward themselves over time through dollar cost averaging. Some people just try to hit a home run overnight. I got people in the comments that put in more money than they should have. They risk more than they're willing to lose, and they didn't lose the money yet, but because they're down right now, they call projects like this a scam, or they knew it was a rug pull, or things like that. Like, y'all have to think about, what about the people that were in last year? Think about it. A lot of y'all weren't haven't even heard of Shib until this summer. So what about everybody before that heard about it at the beginning of this year that invested in? Time in the market beats time in the market, or timing the market. I got to keep telling y'all that until it's drilled in, so that way you can become more patient with your longer term investments. So right now we're holding at that 39.75 level. We're on a day chart. Let's take a look. We are still holding nicely above our previous all-time support of our previous the resistance of the real body. So this is the real body of the candle. Notice how right here is the resistance line. Up here are the wicks. So we're still holding above the real body of our previous all-time high back in May. So that's what I'm happy to see. Shout out to y'all reaching out to the channel. So now let's take a closer look in. Remember, you want to, sometimes you start off on a day chart, zoom in, and depending on your investment, like institutions, they may be looking at the weekly chart, the monthly chart. But for the most part, I start off on a day chart, take a look, because I'm aggressively buying into Shib. My bag is nice on this one. So we made a nice little double bottom right there, showing signs of support that the buyers would like to hold the price in that range. And we notice also right here where the price was bought up at it falls right in the demand zone. So let's draw this rectangle here. Remember, I can start to eyeball this because I've been doing this for a while, but as y'all start to learn this information yourselves, y'all will learn how to use these tools as well. So right here we have a demand zone. Notice the price, once it starts to fall in this area, it gets bought up. So right here, people are buying. Those of y'all that caught that dip right there, let me know if you were able to buy it at that 35 level. Take even a closer look on the 1 hour. Let's see what we can see here. So really, they're just dragging people out. You know, they're just, you know, creating that little pump to get new money in, take that money off the table and pull it back down even further. We're seeing us find, you know, double bottoms here in a couple different areas of the chart before we break down. But honestly, I think this is really our range. I think we're going to hold in this 35 range. Why is that? Because our previous area in the chart shows us, if we go back to the 4 hours so we can see it, it shows us we had a resistance here. Remember, our previous resistance becomes new supports. So I even told y'all, you know, worst case scenario, I could see us going down to about that that 35 level because of these previous resistance areas in the chart. So I told y'all to have those buy orders set for that level as well. So hopefully some of y'all did that and were able to, you know, time the dip perfectly and catch that. I'm expecting, you know, them to drag it out a little bit over the holidays, you know, because some people might have free money that they put in and, you know, hope to, you know, see a quick gain on it before the holiday. So I'm pretty sure that the market makers will want to keep that money off the table. So I'm sure we'll see some people taking profits as well for the holidays to get gifts and do things like that for the family. So that's just something you can expect. But right after that, you'll start to see money come back in to crypto, especially some of that money, you know, at the end of this year when people take profits from stocks, you know, to make sure that they don't get hit with the short-term capital gains tax. They'll begin to put some of those profits from the stock market into the crypto markets because they see all the gains that people made over this year. The stock market the crypto markets outperformed the stock markets ridiculously this year. You made way more money in crypto than stocks. So that's kind of why we've been focused more on, you know, crypto. Of course, we're still holding our positions. We're still buying up, you know, the stocks we believe in. But right now we're being a little bit more, you know, active in the crypto space. Also, we will be covering NFTs, you know, more on the channel. We've already covered a few projects, but we'll be going into more depth on that. The course will be coming out for my NFT education. You want to stay tuned for more information on that. My technical analysis course is out now. My crypto 101 course is out now. My stock options trading course is out now. My mindset mastery course will be releasing soon. All the courses that are out now, you can get those today for my Black Friday sales at 60% off. You do not want to miss this special. They all are full price at this point, but you can get them today for 60% off. So tap in with me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com, if you are ready to take your investing to the next level, especially for those of you that have over $1,000 already invested. You want to learn how to take advantage of, you know, these opportunities in the market. And remember, Shib is not the only project. There's tons of different projects. Also, if you're interested in stocks, my stock options trading course is so fire. I teach y'all how to make money live, showing you in the course, you know, so you can really, you know, see that this information is useful. Also, go to my Instagram at DecemberDeMarco. You know, check out some of the testimonials from other people that took my courses. You know, I'm helping people create their first 6 and 7 figures. Yes, 6 and 7 figures. It's crazy. So, you know, let's continue to do this. You know, I want to show y'all real quick a couple posts that people made on the Reddit page for the daily discussion, and probably, you know, answer some of their questions and just see, you know, overall what's going on. So someone said, thanks to Shib, I no longer waste extra money on things I don't need. So what this person is just saying, like, instead of, you know, probably, you know, how they used to probably spend, you know, money getting a coffee every morning or something like that, they take that extra money and invest it into Shiba Inu, which is a lot smarter or wiser investment. Someone else said, I feel the same way. I would much rather throw 20 bucks into Shib than waste it in junk. Another person said, I'll be happy if we end the year at 0.0001. Need to ask a zero. I believe we can do that. I believe it is possible that we can eat a zero before the end of the year. We were supposed to already do it, But, you know, with that manipulation, with panic, with fear in the market, holidays coming up, a lot of different things like that, you know, people are going to, you know, sell when they get scared. People are going to take profits when holidays come up. That's just things that we can expect to see. They might try to drag it all the way out for this next month and keep it all the way down. And then right after Christmas, we might start to see, you know, things kind of pick up. But this is a good opportunity for those of us that are not afraid and those of us that really believe in this project, because all this is more time for you to buy. So if you get paid, you know, bi-weekly or however you get paid weekly, this is an opportunity for you to be wise. And this is not financial advice, but if you believe in this project, it's a chance for you to continue to add to your bag. It's not going to give us, you know, a heads up once it takes off and goes to a new all-time high. It's just going to start moving. And you want to make sure you already have your position, you know, before that happens. Those are the people that, you know, get to those higher levels. So someone else says, why is she plunging into the depths of oblivion again after yesterday's pump? What's going on? So really, I wouldn't say that. You know, this is obviously somebody who's a new investor that got into, I won't say they're a new investor, but they're a new investor into Shib, because if you've been investing for the last 5 months, you know, 6 months, or any time that I've been covering Shib, you know, you're up right now if you've been buying those dips. So, you know, we had to beg to differ that, you know, it plunged into oblivion. Yes, it did retrace from all-time highs, but that's just healthy. You know, it's giving a chance for people to take some profits, giving a chance for some of the money to be spread around. And also, you know, those people that took some profits will come back to the project as well and, you know, buy in again. So, you know, just give it some time. That's all. But let's see. Someone says, how much Shib are you guys holding? I've just upped it to 58 million. So drop in the comment section, let me know if y'all want to share that. Also, someone said, I just don't understand the downtrend so much. Good stuff is happening to Shib, but everything I check is almost lost. So let's take a look. Let's see what's all down. Okay, so yeah, Bitcoin is being beaten up 7%. When Bitcoin is down 7% on the day, you know, everything's gonna take a hit. You know, ETH is down 8% for the day. BNB down 6% for the day. Solana down 5% for the day. Cardano down 7% for the day. XRP down 8% for the day. The markets are bloody right now, y'all. This is just, it's normal. It's normal. Profit taking is happening. Holidays are here. Just, you know, hold tight. Don't get shaken out. Understand, if you would have bought a year ago, look, this is y'all assignment for this video. Tell me what your favorite 2 coins are. And now your assignment is to go research those 2 coins. Look at the price 1 year from today. Today is November 26, 2021. Go back to November 26, 2020. Look at the price it was that day, and then come back and comment it what the price was today, or what the price is today. So that's your assignment. 2 coins 1 year ago. What was the price then? And what is the price now? I'm paying attention to who does this. I will be keeping track of it. So make sure if y'all are serious about taking this to the next level, then y'all really, you know, complete that assignment. So appreciate y'all for pulling up on me. And y'all already know we are out.